The Plymouth Duster is one of those cars that perfectly embodies the golden era of muscle cars, affordable, lightweight, and packed with serious power. But what made the Duster stand out in a sea of legendary muscle machines? Today on Autoamatrix, we're diving deep into the history, performance, and impact of this Mopar masterpiece. In the late 1960s, muscle cars were all the rage, but Plymouth saw an opportunity to create something different. Instead of focusing on massive, heavyweight machines, they wanted a car that was light, quick, and affordable for the average buyer. Enter the Plymouth Duster, a sleek, fastback coupe based on the compact Valiant platform. First introduced in 1970, the Duster combined sporty styling with impressive power, making it an instant hit among car enthusiasts. What made the Duster truly special was its variety of engine options. Plymouth offered everything from a fuel-efficient slant 6 to the fire-breathing 340 cubic inch V8. The Duster 340 was the true performance model, delivering 275 horsepower in a lightweight package. This might not sound like much compared to some of the bigger muscle cars of the time, but when paired with its low curb weight, the Duster 340 could take on much larger competitors in a straight-line race. One of the biggest advantages of the Duster was its power-to-weight ratio. While cars like the Dodge Charger and Plymouth Roadrunner were designed for brute force, the Duster was all about agility. It was small enough to be quick off the line but still had the torque and horsepower to hold its own on the track. Many street racers quickly realized that the Duster 340 was a sleeper, a car that looked unassuming but had the potential to embarrass bigger, more expensive muscle cars. The exterior design of the Duster was another major selling point. Unlike the traditional boxy shape of the Valiant, the Duster featured a fastback roofline that gave it a sporty, aggressive stance. It had unique badging, bold color options, and optional hood scoops that added to its muscle car appeal. Plymouth also offered a variety of stripe packages and graphics that made each Duster stand out on the streets. Inside, the Duster was simple yet functional. Unlike some high-end muscle cars, it didn't come with excessive luxury features. Instead, Plymouth focused on keeping it lightweight and affordable. Bucket seats, a basic gauge cluster, and a floor-mounted shifter gave it a driver-focused feel. Buyers who wanted a little more comfort could opt for additional features, but at its core, the Duster was designed for speed, not luxury. Despite its success, the Duster often gets overlooked in muscle car history. When people think of Mopar legends, names like the Dodge Challenger, Plymouth Cuda, and Charger usually come to mind. But the Duster played an important role in making performance accessible to more people. It proved that you didn't need a massive engine or a high price tag to have fun behind the wheel. Today, the Plymouth Duster is a sought-after classic. While it was produced in large numbers, finding an original Duster 340 in good condition can be a challenge. Many were raced hard or modified over the years, making clean, stock examples rare. Collectors and enthusiasts love the Duster for its combination of affordability, performance, and unique styling. Driving a Plymouth Duster today is like stepping back into the 1970s. The sound of that V8 rumbling under the hood, the feeling of raw power as you step on the gas, and the simplicity of an era before modern electronics took over, it's an experience that every muscle car fan should have at least once. If you ever get the chance to see a Duster up close, take a moment to appreciate what it represents. It may not have been the most powerful or expensive muscle car of its time, but it was one of the most fun, and that's what truly matters. The Duster proved that muscle cars weren't just for the elite. They were for everyone who loved driving. That wraps up today's deep dive into the Plymouth Duster. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Autoamatrix for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite underrated muscle car? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.